In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Apple Wallet to pay in-store. It's a very easy process. All you have to do before you actually use your card to pay in-store with Apple Pay is to open up your Apple Wallet and properly set up your payment methods. When you open up your Apple Wallet, you can use the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen to add and manage your cards. So if necessary, go ahead and add a credit or debit card and set it as your primary payment method. Once you are ready and you have a credit or debit card properly set to make payments with, all you have to do is look for the Apple Pay or contactless payment symbols as I'm showing here. Whenever you see a store that has these icons, it means that you can hold your iPhone near the card reader to make the payment. So all you have to do now is authenticate your iPhone using Face or Touch ID, and when you are ready to pay, select the card. The card at the top will be the card that's going to be used to make the in-store payment. If necessary, touch any of the cards at the bottom of your screen to change the payment method selected. All you have to do afterwards is hold your phone physically near the card reader and the payment will go through as long as you have enough funds and they accept the payment method. The payment will be done, you will receive a summary of your order, and you will be able to make this as many payments as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Apple Wallet to pay in store. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.